Welcome to the wild world of AI art. It's like a neon rave of pixels. Picture this. You tell your computer, hey, draw me a dinosaur DJ at a neon rave. And boom, there it is. No need to hunt down an artist or even know how to draw a stick figure. Just type in your wildest idea and watch the magic happen as AI brings it to life. Welcome to the exciting, colorful world of AI art. It's a whole new way to create images using the power of computers. Forget paint and canvas. Now we're talking algorithms and code. This digital revolution is flipping our idea of creativity on its head. And guess what? It's making art more accessible to everyone. AI art might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real and happening now. It's not about replacing human artists. It's about expanding the possibilities of art itself. With AI, anyone can be an artist, no matter their skills or background. All you need is an idea and a sense of adventure. Diving into the magical world of machine learning and image generation. So how does AI create art? Is it like a robot with a paintbrush? Not quite, but close. It all begins with machine learning. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize a cat from a dog. Easy, right? Now imagine teaching it to create art. We feed tons of images into a neural network, which is like a super smart brain. This brain learns patterns, colors, shapes, and styles. Think of it as teaching a toddler to draw, but this toddler learns at lightning speed and never needs a nap. Once the AI has seen enough pictures, it can start creating its own masterpieces based on text prompts or just its imagination. These AI models are like digital Picassos, capable of making everything from lifelike portraits to wild, abstract art. It's a crazy mix of technology and creativity, like a robot doing a dance-off. The results? Often mind-blowing and inspiring, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible with digital art. Your AI art studio. Imagine having DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion as your creative buddies. These powerful AI art tools are like the Avengers of the digital art world. First up, we have DALL-E 2, the superstar created by OpenAI. DALL-E 2 is like a magician, conjuring up everything from realistic photos to fantastical creatures. Next, meet Midjourney, the dreamer of the group, known for its artistic and surreal style. Midjourney is your go-to for creating those, whoa, did I just dream that, kind of artworks. And then there's Stable Diffusion, the open-source hero making AI art accessible to everyone. With Stable Diffusion, you can create your own custom models right on your computer. No superpowers needed. These tools are like giving everyone a paintbrush and saying, go create your masterpiece. So grab your computer, connect to the internet, and let the AI art adventure begin. And please remember to subscribe and like this video. 2022 was the year AI art decided to break the internet. Seriously, it went everywhere. Suddenly, AI-generated images were all over social media and even on the evening news. It was like they had a mind of their own. People couldn't get enough of these stunning and sometimes downright weird creations. Artists and designers jumped on the bandwagon, mixing these AI tools into their creative processes. Tools like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney made it super easy for anyone to dive into AI art. It was like giving everyone a magic wand. Suddenly everyone was creating and sharing their own AI masterpieces. It was an art party and everyone was invited. This sparked a wave of creativity, with people from all walks of life jumping in to experiment with these new tools. AI art became a global sensation, sparking debates and conversations about what art really means. And let's be honest, it was a lot of fun too. Welcome to the grand finale, a new artistic frontier. From inspiration to creation. AI art isn't just a shiny new toy, it's like having a supercharged muse that never sleeps. Artists are using AI in all sorts of creative ways. Some use it to brainstorm ideas, to smash through creative blocks, or to try out funky new styles. Others mix AI magic into their usual routines, blending the old with the new. And guess what? You don't have to be Picasso to enjoy AI art. It helps everyone visualize their wildest ideas, create custom pieces for projects, or just have a blast exploring digital art. AI art is popping up in all sorts of places. In marketing, it's making ads that really pop. Game designers are using it to create entire worlds. The sky's the limit. AI art isn't here to steal the show, but to make the show even better. It's another tool in the artist's toolkit, one that's always evolving and opening up new, exciting possibilities.